Hello there, I'm Daniel and this is Project Moisei video number 5. I done a couple of things since the last video. Actually, I done a lot of things since the last video. I finished up working on 0.4 and started working on 0.5 yesterday, and it's shipping up pretty nicely, I must say. So, well, let's cover the changes. I implemented a basic combat log feature. It is very nice, you will see it soon. And I started working on a game progression system, which I kinda finished, and I mean finished in air quotes, so it is where I want it to be for now. And I will expand on it and build on it, and it will be better, but for now it's as good as it gets. So I will show you that too. And yeah, I added the maximum values for health and mana, which is kind of a no-brainer. I'm not even sure why I waited so long to do that, so I really don't know. Basically what this means that there's a maximum value for health and mana for every entity, and you cannot heal over that maximum value. So yeah, healing is now less OP. And what do we have here? I rewrote some old code, for example for the check for cooldowns method, and I completely rewrote the .hot system, so damage over turn and healing over turn spells or abilities are now way better. They function way better because you can have multiple dots and hots at the same time, which was not possible before, so that's really awesome as well. I'm not sure if I will be able to show that, but anyway, we'll see. And basically that's it. Oh, and there's mana overturn now, but that's not that important. It's just a small thing. Okay, so let's fire up the game and let's see what do we have here. Oh, we have different monster types. Have I mentioned that? I'm not sure. Anyway, here's the combat log. Basically it's about the same that you have here, but don't forget that you won't see this in the real versions. I mean the build yards, because there's no console. Of course, if you run it from the command prompt you can see that, but that's not the point. So this is the combat log for the player to see, but I'm not sure how temporary it is, or well, not even or, it will be toggleable with the key. So for example, I don't know, if you press home it will appear, and you press it again it will disappear. I'm sure it will be toggleable, so it's not something I'm forcing on the player. Anyways, so there's this evil wizard, one of the new monster types we have defined here. So we have the dummy, but that's not in the random, because now the game gives you randomly one, so this is for testing only. So it can give me anything from these: basic or evil wizard or wolf or clever. I don't have different sprites. I use 2 and that's it, but they will all have their own sprite, of course. Anyways, they all have different features. For example, evil wizard has less health but more mana and attacks twice every turn. He has 2 action points. And he uses spells, but all of the AI behaviors for spellcasting is now disabled because I need to completely rewrite those. So they won't attempt to use spells that they don't even have and stuff like that. Anyway, so now the wizard is a little boring because he won't use any spells, only attack twice with a fixed within a fixed damage range. Anyway, and he has a shield, an initial shield of 10, which is nice. Actually, I don't think there were shields in the last video, so yeah, that's a new feature as well. We have shields now, which are basically above the health, and if you have shield, then any incoming attack will decrease your shield first, and only after it will decrease your health. But I guess I shouldn't even go into the details like that. I mean, it's like in any other game, but who knows. So yeah, I killed him, and the new thing now is that I don't have to press M to force the game to give me a new monster and stuff like that, I simply press my end turn, the enter key again, and it will give me a new wave and a new monster. So yeah, it's evolved this time. They don't have mana, they have health, and they attack twice as well. Okay, let me quickly kill him. Oh my god, I'm not good. I'm not looking good health-wise. Look at that, 33. Oh, actually that's another update on the UI, because now that we have maximum health and mana, now it is displayed. So there's the maximum health, which got buffed at the end of the turn, and the not turn, wave, sorry. So at the end of each wave you get a plus 10 mana, plus 10 health, but yeah, I need that. So it's now 26, it's gonna be 36, which is nice. I'm gonna heal up, and thank god it's a basic beast. That should be simple enough. But if I get close to dying, I will just use the zero ability, the kill, which I have on the action bar conveniently. That is a debug spell I can use to instantly kill the enemy, of course. So yeah, but no, I did not need that. And now that it's wave 4, I have 2 monsters. So that was what I meant by progression system. Actually, it's not tied to waves, it's tied to XP, but that's all gonna change when I implement leveling. So yeah, I have 2, and these 2 are actually different. I mean, a basic beast and a clever cleric. So let me just, oh my god, I wanted to just kill them with the zero ability, but I pressed Q for some reason. Okay, so let me just kill them, these as well, just so to show you the progression. Okay, there it is. When you hit 110 XP, you get 3, and so on and so forth. So you get the idea. This is what I have. This is what I mean by basic progression system. So what else? What else? Actually, healing now gives a little mana back, but that's for testing only, so I could test the mana overturn ability. So let us see it. I use heal, 10 health instantly, so it's 121, and if I press enter, it's the monster's turn. Okay, so calculating health would be tricky now on the fly, but my mana went up. That's what's important anyways. So, and there you can see the tick N is that turn hot, and a mana mod ticked. Actually that N is a placeholder, of course. I would like to have the, well, actually a tick counter there, so if a dot ticks twice in 2 turns, then it should be tick 1 and tick 2. You get the idea, I'm pretty sure of that. Okay, so is there anything else I'm wondering, but I'm really not sure. Yep, this is actually kind of cool. I want to show that. I'm so proud of that I really want to show that. So don't have a random monster, have the dummy, which is 0. So yeah, we have the dummy Dave. His specialty is that he won't attack, he won't do anything. I mean, he will attack, but he has 0/0 for damage range, so he can't really harm us. And he has shield, and he has a health. Anyway, what I want to show you is the multiple dots, because I really, oh my god, or was it? Yes, I'm looking for the Firestorm ability as an opener, because that is an ability which takes 3 times. So it's perfect for demonstration, because I hit Firestorm, it's 15 instantly, but as you can notice, it hit the shield first. So I press enter now. That's -2 the first tick, no, actually -1 the first tick, and -1 again because it's my turn. So it's 2, that's 8 shield. Now I do the fireball, which has 1 tick of 2, I guess. So yeah, but first initial damage of 10, which means 48, and now if I press enter, it should be, we should see 2 dots triggering, 1 remaining from the firestorm, which is value of 1, I guess, and 2 from the fireball. So the next HP should be 45. Actually no, it's 43, because yeah, because I'm an idiot. The fireball ticks twice, as you can see. There it is, dot of 2, and in his turn and my turn. Sorry, so yeah, I was wrong, but it works. It works, really works, because yeah, the fireball lasts for 2 turns actually. I forgot about that. Okay, so this is today's achievement, and I really like it. And I guess that's it. That's it for this video. I hope I covered everything I wanted. And yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you next time.